Hello everyone. In this Power BI session, we will discuss how to add a hyperlink to the text box in Power BI report. So text box are an integral part of any Power BI report we will create as they enable users to provide more details and information and also helps to analysis and making it simpler for user to grasp and understand the data. Power BI provides functionality to add hyperlinks to text boxes and other visuals. Now let's see how we can add a hyperlink to the text box. So for this, we will navigate to the Power BI desktop. So in Power BI desktop, we will go to the Insert tab. From here, we can add a text box to the report. So once we add a text box, let's add some text. So let's say Google Analytics, and we can increase the font size a little bit to 24, so it will be visible. Now you can see here one insert link option is coming. So from here I can add the Google link. So I will write https google.com and then we will click on done. So now the text is converted to the hyperlink. Now, if we want to edit the hyperlink, then we will click on the edit button. So it will open this one, and you can, once you provide the changes, then you can click on done. If you want to remove the hyperlink, you can click on the remove. So the hyperlink is removed from the text. So this is how we can add hyperlink to the Power BI desktop. Also, we can add hyperlink to the table visual, matrix visual, and many more visuals in Power BI. So this is all about the hyperlink in Power BI desktop. We will see you on next video where we will see how to sort a column with using another column in Power BI. That's all for today. Thank you so much.